Hello, I'm Matt Sturgess, a former CEO and MD who became fascinated with how the mind works, the most powerful bit of kit we've got, but nobody gave us a user guide. So in the workshop we're going to work on together, I'm going to share with you some really key insights into how this works so that when you're setting goals, it's easier to get that goal lodged in your mind, and it's far easier to achieve that goal by using some key assets that our minds have got to keep nudging us in the right direction and keep us on track. And also to help us when our mind wanders off thinking about things that might go wrong or problems and issues, and getting it back on to achieving the goal. I'll also share a little bit about a term I really don't like called imposter syndrome. For me, it's more about self-confidence. So I'm going to share a little bit of an insight about what that is in terms of how the mind works, but also some insights in terms of how you can overcome any feelings of inadequacy and just not feeling you're capable enough to do things, which we've all experienced at different stages, different times. But when you understand why we feel like that and why the mind is doing that to us, it's a lot easier to dumb down that effect and become far more effective in what we're doing. So I'm looking forward to sharing all of that with you, and we'll have some great insights and get you into a far better place for achieving your goals in a more reliable way. Thank you.